ang papipiliin, anong trait ni Donnie ang na-appreciate mo at wish mo na sana ay wag nang magbago?
Isa lang. Parang ang dami naman. Yeah.
Go ahead. We have the whole afternoon.
No. Because there's yun nga, para siyang definition ng green flag talaga. Hindi, totoo, kasi he's such a gentleman, family-oriented. So, if there was one thing, siguro, you're gonna achieve so many things. You're gonna soar higher. Siguro never forget your core and never forget God. That's it.
Balik na rin natin. Donnie naman. What's one thing about her that you don't want to change?
Ganon din, mamaya pa tayo kung ano sinabi ko lahat. I hope she doesn't change that inner child in her. Kasi I love when she's super happy and like super excited about things like she was when she was a child. It's also, ganun din ako, may mga parts din ako na ganun. To not lose your love for your family. Obviously, hindi mawawala yun. Of course, your love for your craft. Siyempre, mahal na mahal niya yung lahat ng pinapasukan niyang trabaho. And yeah, keep the faith, of course. That's very important.
Uy, alam mo, ang nakakakita lang daw ng mga ganun or pinagpapakitaan ng inner child is someone that they kind of love the most. Oo. You don't show that to everybody. Diba? Parang, and sometimes, the person who notices that is that special person. Yun lang naman. Gusto ko lang naman sabihin. Huwag kang matense, Donnie. Tense na si Donnie eh.
Saan nyo nabasa yan?
Hindi ako nakikinig lang. Ikaw ba? You show your inner child to just anybody randomly?
I think it's pretty common naman for us to like show our inner child to anyone we're
diba?
Yes,
people you're close with.
Yes.
People you love. Diba? Diba, Donnie, no? Alright, Jeff Oligar TV. Si Jeffrey and